Make organic liquid nitrogen fertilizer at home fast and supercharge plant growth naturally. If your plants are turning pale, growing slowly, or looking tired no matter how much you water them, you're about to learn the fastest, safest, and most natural way to bring them back to life. This video from Soil and Crop Central delivers exactly what most gardeners wish they knew sooner: how to make powerful organic liquid nitrogen fertilizers at home that trigger fast green growth without chemicals, without waste, and without damaging your soil. The moment leaves start fading from green to yellow, your plants are sending a clear distress signal. They're running low on nitrogen, the nutrient responsible for chlorophyll production, leaf color, root development, and overall strength. Nitrogen drives the engine of plant growth, and because it's easily washed out of soil by rain or watering, plants need a steady supply to stay vibrant. When nitrogen drops too low, growth slows, lower leaves yellow, stems weaken, and your harvest shrinks. Chemical fertilizers may appear to fix the problem instantly, but they disturb soil balance over time, leading to weaker plants, poor microbial activity, and long-term dependency. Organic liquid nitrogen fertilizers restore your soil naturally, feed plants gently and sustainably, and build long-lasting fertility that gets better every season. One of the most effective ways to create nitrogen-rich fertilizer at home is through the Green Leaf Elixir, a simple fermented liquid made from nutrient-dense fresh greens. To prepare it, gather fresh plant material such as comfrey nettles borage or even grass clippings. Chop the leaves lightly and fill a strong bucket until it reaches about 2/3 full. Pour in enough water to completely submerge the greens, with rainwater being ideal because it's naturally soft. Leave the bucket outdoors in a quiet corner for about 2 to 4 weeks, stirring every few days to support the breakdown process. Over time, the water darkens as fermentation occurs, releasing nitrogen, potassium, and trace minerals into the liquid. Once ready, strain the mixture through a cloth, keeping only the nutrient-rich liquid. Before applying it to your garden, dilute 1 part Green Leaf Elixir in 10 parts water. For example, 1 liter of concentrate to 10 liters of water. Pour it at the base of plants to supply a gentle but powerful nitrogen boost that supports rapid green growth without the risk of burning roots. Another highly effective homemade fertilizer comes from something you may already do in your kitchen. When soaking beans, lentils, or chickpeas for 8 to 12 hours, the water becomes cloudy as proteins and nutrients release from the legumes. Instead of discarding this nutrient-rich liquid, pour it directly onto your plants the same day. Unlike the Green Leaf Elixir, legume water requires no dilution because it is naturally mild. It provides an instant nitrogen lift that seedlings, houseplants, and tender crops respond to quickly. This simple kitchen-to-garden cycle strengthens soil microbes and reduces waste, giving you a steady stream of free fertilizer every time you prepare legumes. Fermented Plant Juice, often shortened to FPJ, is one of the most potent organic liquid fertilizers you can make at home. It uses young plant tips that are naturally packed with enzymes, growth hormones, and minerals. Begin early in the morning by harvesting fast-growing shoots, such as chickweed, sweet potato vines, or soft comfrey tips. Chop the plant material and weigh it carefully. Combine it with an equal weight of brown sugar and layer the mixture in a clean glass jar. The sugar draws out the moisture from the plants and feeds beneficial microbes, triggering fermentation. Cover the jar with a breathable cloth and leave it in a cool, dark space for 7 to 10 days. Once fermentation is complete, strain the liquid and transfer it into a bottle. To use FPJ, dilute 1 part concentrate into 500 to 1,000 parts water, such as 1 milliliter into half a liter or 1 liter into 1,000 liters, depending on how much you need. This gentle liquid encourages strong root development, helps plants absorb nutrients more efficiently, and builds a thriving soil ecosystem. When applied monthly, FPJ supports vigorous growth and increases a plant's natural resilience. Many gardeners overlook another excellent nitrogen source found right in the kitchen: Water left over from rinsing rice, boiling eggs, or cleaning mild food items contains minerals, proteins, and beneficial compounds that plants can absorb quickly. Egg boiling water in particular provides calcium that helps prevent blossom end issues in fruiting vegetables. Always use this type of water fresh and pour it directly at the base of your plants. Because it is gentle and nutrient-dense, it strengthens soil microbes and supports steady growth. Nothing needs to be added or diluted, and it's ready instantly. When your plants need rapid revival, or when you want to prepare a planting bed with maximum fertility, the 48-hour Supercharge Formula delivers fast, visible results. Combine 5 parts Green Leaf Elixir with 5 parts legume water in any volume you choose, such as 5 liters of elixir with 5 liters of legume water. For every 10 liters of this mixture, add 1 tablespoon of FPJ. Stir well and leave it loosely covered in a shaded place for 48 hours. Microbes multiply rapidly during this period. Pre-digesting nutrients into forms plants can absorb almost immediately. After 48 hours, the Supercharge mix can be used directly with no dilution. Apply it to stressed plants or onto beds before planting. Expect greener leaves and stronger growth within days as the diverse blend of nitrogen, minerals, enzymes, and microbes floods the soil with life. Feeding at the right time makes as much difference as using the correct recipe. Leafy greens benefit from diluted green leaf elixir or legume water every 2 weeks because they crave consistent nitrogen. Seedlings and young plants thrive when given gentle weekly feeds of legume water or protein-rich kitchen water. Fruiting vegetables need nitrogen during early growth, followed by more potassium as fruits set, but protein water remains useful throughout the season to reduce deficiencies. Houseplants also respond well when fed every 3 to 4 weeks with legume or kitchen water, along with a light monthly application of diluted FPJ to strengthen soil life. Observing your plants is key. Yellowing leaves, slow growth, or small new shoots are early warnings that it's time to feed again. Regular gentle feeding builds resilience, encourages strong roots, and creates healthier crops year after year. Organic liquid nitrogen fertilizers are simple to make, incredibly effective, and completely sustainable. Every method in this video, from Soil and Crop Central, turns everyday materials into powerful plant food, strengthens soil life, and boosts growth naturally without harsh chemicals. If you found this video helpful and want more practical, reliable, and sustainable gardening strategies, remember to subscribe to Soil and Crop Central. Share this video with fellow growers and keep building the healthiest garden possible.